Serial number XH558, still flying and having flown in the first place towards the end of 2007 in civilian hands. Also a tribute, not least to the generosity of the British public who have given over time around £22 million to enable the aeroplane to be preserved in flying condition. It's been a remarkable story in itself. With an aeroplane retired by the RAF in 1993 and sold into civilian hands, was able to take to the air as such in 2007, and then since the middle of the 2008 season has entertained us and indeed to some extent educated us on the display circuit. A large aeroplane, of course, but one of extraordinary grace and extraordinary manoeuvrability. We won't see it today, of course, but one of the early Vulcans was rolled by one of its test pilots at the Rhyl Air Show. Of 136 examples built, this is the sole flying example. And here it is, running in from our left, the Vulcan B2.